Hey everyone! Hope you're all doing great today. In this demo, I'll guide you through the process of integrating with a payment gateway using hosted checkout for a seamless and secure payment experience. In this integration, you create a checkout session where the payment gateway hosts a payment page user interface that gathers payment information from the customer. Here, you can explore the supported payment methods, transaction types, and key benefits of the integration. To get started, navigate to the integration steps hyperlink on the same page, or from the left panel. On this integration, you create a checkout session with the UI interface that gathers payment information from the customer. Step 1. Establish a checkout session. Step 2. Implement the hosted payment page. Start by navigating to the Establish a Checkout Session section where you'll find the Initiate Checkout example. A default standard sample for hosted checkout is already provided, serving as a reference for seamless integration. To proceed, simply copy the provided JSON payload and open Postman to start the setup process. Now let's set up Postman. First, create a new request and set the request type to post. Then, paste the copied JSON payload into the body section, making sure it's in raw JSON format. Next, grab the API URL from the same page and paste it into Postman as the request endpoint. Once that's done, hit Send to initiate the request. Just a quick note, you'll need API credentials from your payment gateway provider to proceed, an API reference page link at the top right of the same page. Step 2. Navigate to the Implementing the Hosted Payment page. Here you'll find an example of the HTML code for using the payment page redirection mode. This component is designed to seamlessly integrate within your website's existing checkout page. Navigate to the heading section for an HTML code example related to hosted payment page requests. Copy the sample HTML script provided by the payment gateway. Open a text editor like Notepad++ and paste the script into a new file. At this stage, we haven't made any changes to the code. Everything is already set up for you: the script, the buttons, and the overall structure. Now look for the session ID placeholder within the script. You'll need to replace this with the actual session ID that we just generated in Postman a few moments ago. Once you've made this update, save the file with it at HTML extension. Now when a customer is ready to pay for that order and clicks the Pay button, this HTML file will be rendered in a web browser, loading the checkout page in Realtor section, which is configurable based on your needs. Let's go back to the guide, click the Back button, and search for the test card details. I'll copy the card number, expiration date, and CSC or CVV for an approved transaction response. This ensures that our test card validation follows the guidelines. Here, the customer will enter their credit card or debit card details. Now, I'll paste the test card details into the payment fields on the checkout page, an expiry date and security code. We can skip the optional billing details for now. We'll click the Pay button to process the transaction, and emulator page for OTP verification will appear in the test environment. The order confirmation page provided by the payment gateway will include key transaction details with order summary. You've successfully completed the hosted checkout payment page integration process. Thank you.